Alright, so the first DIY is going to involve this gold palm leaf plant design. I've actually been seeing this quite a bit. I think it might be trending right now. So this person bought like a plant and they are going to use spray paint in order to turn it gold. I actually really love this concept and idea. I might have to try it myself. Seems like a fairly easy project to replicate. You might want to cover the base though, just in case you do, want the whole thing to be gold and you don't want to accidentally spray paint it. But wow, love this idea. Very cool. Hello everyone, welcome back to Design Trend Seeker. So if you are new around here, my name is Danielle, and on this channel we like to take a look at trending DIY project ideas and react to them. So here we have someone, it looks like she's doing a table here. Oh, she's actually hammering those nails in. Okay. Wow, this has got to be the easiest DIY table I've ever seen. She just hammered the nails in and put two pieces together. Super simple. No paint involved, just easy DIY. Alright, so moving on to DIY number 3. Oh, okay. I thought maybe they were making a table. They actually made like a little planter. Oh, that is pretty. Oh my gosh, I love the uplighting in this home. I think I like the black better versus the white. Beautiful stones added to add accent. Wow, very luxurious. Okay, this looks like some type of photo frame here, some rope. Okay, so she kind of macrameed around the sides, did like a little fringed out look. Oh, she has a little Scrabble letters. Home, sweet home. Oh, this is cute. How cute would this look on like your front door? I love this idea. That is like really special, and has like the hashtag at the top, home sweet home. That's cute. All right, so we have a bunch of wax here. Doing a candle molding, different candles. Making your own candles must be like so satisfying. Like you can just pick whatever shape you desire, decorate with them throughout your home. Do whatever color you want. Wow, look at that one. It looks like a donut. candle that looks like artwork. Wow, so many different designs and vibes for these. Oh, they even have like little Christmas trees. That's cute. And reindeer during the holiday. All right, so next up we have a DIY of this vase. So they're using styrofoam for this? Okay. I swear I was looking for the donut style vase for like 2 years and I could not find it in the store, and now it's like everywhere. Budget action DIY. So this is one of the easiest projects you can do. Let me know if you guys have tried this one, because I featured it pretty much in like almost every video. Someone does some different type of variation of the same style. And you don't even have to spray paint it. Like if you wanted a blue one, there you go. You can buy a black plate with a black bowl and just glue it together and bam. Very beginner friendly. Bougie on a budget, side table edition. Okay, let's see what you got. So what is that? It's from IKEA, whatever it is. Looks like a vase, maybe. Maybe like a table tray or a cutting board. And then they got the glue. And see, with this one, she didn't even have to worry about spray painting it. She just went with the black and white. Classic. I do wonder how this whole thing would look in gold, though. I have to, yeah. You guys know I have a problem with that. I'm like obsessed with gold. All right, so here we have some very funky looking candle holders. I would be actually pretty scared to put this candle on there because, well, with it actually lit. Because this shape is like, it looks like something that would fall over easily. Now, if it was just like the type of candle that you make where you just kind of like decorate with it and not actually light it, that might be cool. But I don't know. I don't know if I would want to actually light a candle and put this in this candle holder. I mean, would you guys trust this design? Oh, especially this one. This one just looks like it would just topple right over. I mean, if you trust your glue, yeah, I don't know, man. Aesthetically, they look cool though. I just don't know if I would want to actually light them up. Oh, wow. Look at this fancy toilet paper holder. That is pretty cool. Oh. Wow, this is a pretty cool design. You could actually like put your towels in here too. I think that would be cute. Now, she doesn't spray paint this or anything. You could do that if you wanted to, but I actually like the natural coloring. Especially for like a bathroom, I like for things to stay like neutral, but this is a really cool idea. Alright you guys, I hope you enjoyed checking out all these DIY project ideas with me. If you did, please be sure to give it a big thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and I will see you in the next one.